Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great week so far. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the good deals and glitches that are going on at Dollar General this week, and we even have some new coupons to cover. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it's very important to scan each item in the app under the list feature when you are in the store to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. Alright, so first up we have some drink deals here. So we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6-packs. They are on sale this week, 4 for $10. And we also have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 2 liters. They are 2 for $2.50. And we also have a sale on the Dr. Pepper Canada Dry Sunkissed A&W 7-Up and RC Cola 12-packs. They are 3 for $11. Now this deal on Coca-Cola and Sprite 12-packs isn't the greatest, but if you do need to pick some up this week, they are on sale 2 for $10. Next up, we have the 32-ounce Gatorades. They are on sale for 85 cents this week. We do have a buy 4, get 1 for free digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $3.40 for 5, making those about 80 cents each. So moving right along here, we have the Mott's Apple Juice, either the 6-pack or the 64-ounce bottles. They are on sale this week, 2 for $5. We have a 1-off 2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $4 for 2, making those $2 each. Or you can pick up the Mott's Applesauce 6-count cups. Those are $2 each, so picking up 2 is going to put you at $4. Use that 1-off 2 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $3 for 2. Now for this deal, I am actually going to go into the store and try this out a couple of different ways. We have a sale on the V8 splash drinks. They are 2 for $3 this week. We also have a digital coupon that showed up. It's save $2 when you spend $10 on any Campbell's, Swanson's, Prego, or V8 products. And then we also have an instant savings this week of save $2 when you spend $10 on the Campbell's, V8, or Prego products. But when we type it into the app, it is either taking the sale price or the instant savings and the coupon off. So it's one or the other, not both. But I'm going to go into the store and try it out and see what happens, and I will let you guys know. Next up, we received a 1-off 1 digital coupon for the Scott bath tissue. So if you want to pick up the 12 big rolls, they're priced at $5. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $4. And don't forget, we do have that instant savings. When you spend $20 on the Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, or Kleenex products, you'll instantly save $4 at the register. Next up, we have a deal on the True Living single count rolls of paper towels. These are $1 each. They're on sale this week. Buy 2 and get 1 for free, so you'll pay $2 for 3 rolls. Next up, we received a 1-off 1 digital coupon for the Snuggle Exhilarations 96-ounce jugs. It's 112 load. These are $7 after that digital coupon. That'll leave you paying $6. We also have a deal on the all liquid laundry detergent free and clear. This is the 58 load 88-ounce jugs. These are $7, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $6. Next up, we have a deal on the Purex liquid laundry detergent. This is for the 128 to 150 ounce bottles, or the all free and clear Mighty Packs 39 count. These are both $8. We have a 3-off 1 digital coupon, so that will leave you paying just $5. Next up, we received 50 cents off 1 Mean Green product. So there are several different ones that you can choose from that are priced at $3 after the coupon. That'll leave you paying $2.50. Now, there are also some Mean Green sprays that you can choose from. Again, double check your prices at your store. These are priced at $2 at mine for the 32-ounce cleaner and degreaser. After this 50 cent off 1 coupon, that will leave you paying $1.50. Next up, we have the Pine Sol Multi-Surface Cleaner, the 40 to 48-ounce bottles. Those are priced at $3. We have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $2.50. Next up, we received a 2-off 1 Tylenol digital coupon. So if you pick up the Tylenol Extra Strength 24 count, those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $2. And we also have a pretty good deal on the DG Health Allergy Relief. This is for the 100 count tablets or the non-drowsy 30 count tablets. They're priced at $4. We have a 1-off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $3. Next up is a new digital coupon that we received this week. So it's on the Purina Dog Chow. This is the 35-pound bags. These are $17.95. We received a 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $14.95. Then we also have a deal on the Purina One dog food. This is for the 2.8 to 3-pound bags. These are $6 each. We have a buy one, get one free digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $6 for two, making those $3 each. Next up, we have a $2 in instant savings on the wall clippers or trimmers. These are normally $15 to $20.50. And we also have a deal on some clothes this week. So the Yellow Dot men's apparel and shoes will be 50% off. And next up, we have a $2 in instant savings on the green or red dot doormats. So these run $5 to $10. And we also have $1 off in instant savings on the Good Cook bakeware and a $2 in instant savings on the Good Cook cookware. Next up, we have a deal on some framed art. So these are normally $1.50 to $15 each, and they are buy one, get one 50% off this week. Now this does exclude the dot colored tags. Alright, so now we're going to get into some coupon matchups. So first up, we have the Colgate Max toothpaste. These are $2.75 each. We have a 3-off-2 digital coupon that's working on these. So that will leave you paying $2.50 for two. And don't forget, we do have an instant savings of $3 when you spend $10 on Irish Spring, Lady Speed Stick, Ajax, Suavitel, Colgate, Palmolive, and soft soap products. Next up, we have the Schick Classic razors. You can pick up the men's or the women's. They're priced at $4 this week. We have a 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $1. Next up, we received a 1-off-1 digital coupon for a Tresemme product. Now, this is working on the shampoos. They are priced at $4, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $3. Now, if you've already used that 1-off-1, we did receive a new Tresemme coupon for 3-off-2 this week. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Tresemme shampoos or conditioners for $8, after that digital coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $5 for 2. Now, if you have both of the 1-off-1 digital coupon and the 3-off-2 digital coupon, you can pick up 3 of the Tresemme shampoos or conditioners for $12. After both of those digitals are applied, that will leave you paying $8 for 3. Now, these Tresemme digital coupons are also working on the Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray, the 4.2 ounce. These are priced at $2.95. After the 1-off-1 digital coupon is applied, that will leave you paying $1.95. Or you can pick up 2 of the Tresemme 4.2 ounce hairsprays at $5.90. After the 3-off-2 digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $2.90 for 2. And again, if you have both of these digital coupons, you can pick up 3 of the hairsprays for $7.85. After both of those digitals are applied, that'll leave you paying $3.85 for 3. Now, we also received this 1-off-1 for the Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends shampoos or conditioners. If you want to pick up the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo or conditioner, those are priced at $3.50. So after that digital coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $2.50. Now, we also received a 2-off-1 for the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine treatment products, and that is stacking with this 1-off-1 Garnier Fructis DG store coupon. So if you want to pick up the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Flat Iron Spray, those are priced at $3.75. After both of those digitals are applied, that will leave you paying just 75 cents. Or you can pick up the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. Those are priced at $3, and after both of those digital coupons are applied, that'll make it completely free. Next up, we received a 2-off-1 for the Maybelline New York Eye Products. This is the DG store coupon. So if you want to pick up the Maybelline 2-pack eyebrow pencils, these are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.25. Next up, we received a 3-off-1 for the CoverGirl Eye Products. So if you want to pick up the CoverGirl Eyeliner 2-pack, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.50. Next up, we have another DG store coupon for 1-off-1 Believe Beauty product. So there are several different things that you can choose from that are priced at $3. 2 of those being the Believe Beauty eyeshadow brushes. They're priced at $3, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $2. Or you could also use this coupon on the lip liners. They are also priced at $3, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $2. Now, this was an interesting one I thought that this coupon was attaching to. This is on the Believe Beauty Compact Mirror. It's also priced at $3, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2. And one more item that I wanted to mention on the 1-off-1 Believe Beauty coupon is the eyelash curler. So those are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $1.50. Next up, we have the Glade Cashmere Wood Starter Kit. So these are priced at $3. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon that's working with this, and that will leave you paying just $2. Next up, we have the extra laundry detergent, the 150 ounce. These are priced at $4.50. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $2.50. Next up, we have the 77-ounce Clorox bleach. Those are priced at $3.75. We received a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $3.25. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 for the Gain products. So normally, this does not always work with the Gain powder, so I wanted to throw this one in there, let you guys know about it. But this is only 34 ounces, 30-load Gain powdered laundry detergent. It's priced at $4.85, so after the digital coupon, that will leave you paying $3.85. Now, I do need to make a correction from my previous video. I do apologize. I told you guys that the 1-off-1 Gain coupon was glitching on the Tide Simply products, but thank you so much to Rose. Awesome subscriber reached out to me and told me that that was not a glitch. I just needed to read the coupon all the way through. So on Sunday, I was just super busy and trying to get all the information out as quickly as possible. I had a lot going on, but I do apologize. The Tide Simply products are actually included in this coupon. So, next up, we have the Tide Simply Pods 13 count and the Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent. They are priced at $2.95, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.95. Next up, we received a 1-off-1 for the Gain Dish Liquid. So these are priced at $2, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $1 for 1. But keep in mind that we did receive a 1-off-2 digital coupon earlier in the month, so if you still have that coupon, you may want to go ahead and pick up 3 for $6, and after both of those digital coupons are applied, that'll leave you paying $4 for 3 bottles of Gain dishwashing liquid. Next up, we received a 3-off-2 for the Safeguard hand soap. So those are priced at $3 each. If you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $6. So it's basically a buy one, get one free coupon. That'll leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Next up, we have the 24-count Motrin. Those are priced at $4.35. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $2.35. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Alka-Seltzer Plus. So if you want to pick up the 20 count, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.75. And next up, we received $1.50 off 1 Aleve or Midol product. So if you want to pick up the Aleve Back and Muscle 24 count, those are priced at $4.25. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2.75. And there are other Aleve products that are priced at $4.25, so just double check your store. Or with that 150 off 1 coupon, you can also pick up the Midol 20 count. They're priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4. Next up, we received 50 cents off 1 Finders Keepers SpongeBob candy. So those are priced at $2 after the coupon. That'll leave you paying $1.50. Next up, we have 1-off-2 for the Dole Fruit Cups. So if you pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $5. And after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $4 for 2 4-packs or $2 each. Next up, we have 1-off-1 for the Oscar Mayer beef hot dogs. Those are priced at $3.95, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2.95. Next up, we have the L&P Worcestershire sauce. So those are priced at $2.50. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $1.50. And we also received a 50-cent off 1 for the Kraft Thousand Island dressing. Those are priced at $1.75, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.25. Now, keep in mind that both of those products are included in the Kraft Instant Savings, so you'll instantly save $2 at the register when you spend $8 on Kraft condiments. Next up, we received a buy 3, get 1 free on the Crush 1.25 liters. So, after this coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $3 for 4. And next up, we received a buy 1, get 1 free on the DG Home Flood light bulbs. So, that will leave you paying $6 for 2, making those $3 each. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into the glitch list. So we have the Tresemme hair mask. These are priced at $2. You can pick up either one that's pictured here on the screen. The 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Tresemme product is working on this, and that will leave you paying $1 for 1. Now, if you've already used that 1-off-1 and you have the 3-off-2 digital coupon, it is also working on the Tresemme hair masks. So if you pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $4. Use that 3-off-2 digital coupon, and that will leave you paying $1 for 2 or 50 cents each. Or if you have both of those Tresemme coupons still, you can pick up 3 of the hair masks for $6. Use both of those digitals, and that will leave you paying $2 for 3. And next up, we have a glitch on the 2-off-1 Tide digital coupon. So this is working on the Tide Simply Plus Oxy Liquid Laundry Detergent Refreshing Breeze Scented 75-ounce 48 loads. They are priced at $6.95. After the coupon is applied, that will leave you paying $4.95. And last but not least, we have a glitch with the DG Store coupon 1-off-1 for the Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends product. This is glitching and working on the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine travel size shampoos or conditioners. Those are priced at $1.50, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying just 50 cents. And also, don't forget, we do have a one-day only sale coming up on Friday. So we have the Keebler cookies. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. So those are priced at $2.75. We also have the Quaker Chewy Bars. They are going to be buy one, get one free. So you'll pay $2.50 for 2 boxes. Then we have the York Jello no-bake desserts. They are also going to be buy one, get one free. So you'll pay $2.95 for 2. Then we have the Airhead gummies. They are also going to be buy one, get one free. So you'll pay $1 for 2. Then we have the Red Bird Peppermints. They are going to be buy 2, get 1 for free, so you'll pay $2 for 3 bags. Then we have the Sour Punch Twist. Those are going to be on sale on Friday, 2 for $5. We have a 1-off-2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $4 for 2 bags. Then we also have the Clover Valley Golden or Vegetable Round Crackers. They are also going to be buy 1, get 1 free, so you'll pay $1.50 for 2 or $1.70 for 2. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching. Now I will be posting my clearance event haul video. Hopefully I'll have that done by tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. Before you guys go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright, I hope y'all have a great week. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.